This little device uses ultrasonic waves to wash cloths at a microscopic level. Think of it as a mini washing machine that fits in your hand. Introducing Sonic Soak, the tiny but mighty cleaning marvel. It can clean almost anything from your precious jewelry to fruits and vegetables, even your toothbrush. And here's the magic part. It destroys up to 99.99% of bacteria, keeping your items hygienically pristine. But here's the eco-friendly twist: Sonic Soak uses 40 times less water and 15 times less energy than traditional cleaning. So you can clean without leaving a big carbon footprint. And the best part? It's whisper quiet, perfect for travelers, campers, and RV enthusiasts who want a clean space anywhere. Using Sonic Soak is a breeze. Just place it in a container, add water and detergent, and set the timer. It's compact and user-friendly, weighing just 113 grams. You can take it with you wherever you go. It's the future of clean in the palm of your hand.